Hello everyone, have you ever wondered how much you can send or receive daily with your MTN Mobile Money account? Well, in this video, I'll show you a quick way to check your daily transaction limit, remaining limit, and monthly limit in just a few easy steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your phone's dialer and dial *170#. Step 2. In the menu that appears, select option 6, My Wallet. Step 3. Select hash for more. Then, choose option 9, Check Wallet Limits. Now, enter your MTN Mobile Money PIN to confirm your request. A pop-up message will appear showing your daily transaction limit, your remaining limit for the day, your total monthly limit. That's it. Now you know how much you can transact with MTN Mobile Money. And that's how easy it is to check your MTN MoMo account limit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications for more useful tips. See you in the next one.